What's up YouTube, it's JB coming back at you with another mini Z video. So welcome to part 1 of my PN2.5 mod car build. So I've got a few of the parts and pieces here that are going to be key to this build. I've been wanting to do this for a little while now. Just finally got all the last pieces that I needed. So I've got the PN2.5 chassis. I've got a Kyosho MZ505 board. That's the Pro board. I've got the 9500 kV motor, I've got the PN.5W arm front suspension, and I've got one of my last R8 bodies that I don't have opened already and running with our classes here. So I've got that sitting here. I may open it, I may not. I haven't 100% decided yet, but it might be a good time for a fresh body on this one. So anyway, that's what I got going on YouTube, and welcome to part 1. Here we go. Alright YouTube, part one's pretty much in the books. We've got our chassis ready to go. We've got the power wire soldered on. We've got the chassis trimmed down and the top plate trimmed down to fit that PN Racing AA arm front suspension. We've also got the servo cover trimmed down to fit that brushless Pro board in here. We've also got our servo belt with the PN Racing brass 4th gear installed in it. So I think we're ready to go. We've got a good start. Thanks for watching part one. Stay tuned for part two. Appreciate you watching. Thanks.